5 minutes. That's all it takes to make your shoes smell amazing. No expensive sprays or powders needed, just one simple trick. Do you know what's the most common cause of smelly shoes? Bacteria. It's the same bacteria that creates that unpleasant odor on your feet. And believe it or not, your shoes can be a breeding ground for this bacteria. So here's what you do. Take a small bowl, add 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1/4 cup of water. Mix it up and then put your shoes inside. Let them sit for 5 minutes, then take them out and air them out. The baking soda will absorb the odor and the water will help to neutralize it. Now for the bonus tip. Put a tea bag in your shoes. Tea contains tannic acid, which is great at preventing mold and mildew from growing in your shoes. And here's the science behind why this works so well. When you sweat, the bacteria on your feet break down the sweat and produce acids. These acids then react with the materials in your shoes, causing that unpleasant odor. Baking soda helps to neutralize the acids and prevent them from reacting, leaving your shoes smelling fresh and clean.